Hello, and welcome back to the channel once again. My name is Gigo, and today we'll be looking at spiral staircase construction. As you can see, this was done for a subscriber, and it really didn't go well with a sharp curve and also has a pillar underneath. This is not what the owner was looking for, so we came in. We have to break everything down and construct a new one. So we'll just take you through the quick process. And if you've been on the channel for some time, you know that when it comes to spiral staircase, we are one of the best here on the YouTube space. So we'll take you through the process, a very quick one. So if you have any challenges with staircase, please let us know and we'll come to do our
Yeah,
best.
this is a quick one. It's a staircase of the. It is done but not done well, so it has to be broken down as we mold the new one. I'm surprised we don't update you from the beginning, but the middle of it. This is the first layer. The second layer we come with the braces. Everyone is doing his part here. We have to cast it today. Finish everything. Yeah. Quick update. This is how it have come. The casting is on. It's turning. You can see in a column under it. Goes direct to the top. Is it going fine?
Oh, now everything be nice. Everything be okay.
It's neat, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. They're calculating everything.
Everything be better. This one no pillar for under.
So just in case you're having challenges with your staircase, you want to put some style
Okay.
in your or character in your project, we are here to deliver for you. You can check in my videos. You can just google Gigo production group staircase and you see all the videos I've done, the staircase that we've done for clients here on the channel. So if anything, let us know. So we're going back to the hill project where we are almost done with the lintel concrete casting. I think we have maybe a few to go, and then as you see at the background, the blocks are already there. They are ready. We just have to, distribute them all across the building, and then we go straight ahead. The target is to complete the whole structure, which is going to be the last block laying by the end of this year. So we have 2 more weeks to get a block laying going, but that's not going to be difficult because we have the team and we have a strategy of going. So this is the last part which has to be cast, and then we will be done with the concrete casting. And I believe this is going to be the last concrete casting of this project. From there on, no, we still have to do the pillars after mounting the blocks. We still have to cast the pillars. So we still have, you see the iron rods there. We still have to. That's going to be the height of the building. So we still have to lay and cast some concrete. So just watch out. This is just a quick update to update you guys how far we are with the project. It's been 10 months journey, and we hope that by the end of the year the block work will be finished, so that next year we start with a new phase, which is going to be the roofing and the finishing phase next year. So I'm also looking forward to that. And if you are looking forward of starting with your project next year, either looking for a land to buy, looking for the great team to start with a project. We just don't take your project, we take you through the process. We advise as well. Like I would say, we do consultation, which we normally don't ask money for, because we we have to take you through the process to know what you are getting yourself into. Sometimes people bring huge projects and they have no idea how much it's going to cost them, but when we take them through all those process, they realize, okay, well, it's going to take me a longer time or it's going to cost me more, so let me go through the easy way. So if you are ready, we are here for you. 2024 is going to be an amazing year. Be part of the Gigo Production Group. Let's build, let's develop our country. We will be starting new projects again, and we will prove to you guys that it can be done in a short possible of time without no stress. You guys know how we do it. Within 9 to 10 months, we are getting the project done with no stress. If you want to take it easy, it's also fine. Between, like as I always say, between 5 to 10 years is also possible to get it done. No rush. So just watch out for the amazing projects coming on Google Production Group. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for everyone who has been sharing my videos, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's do it.